chop and drop, reamending soil, soil lasagna. You ever wonder what it all means? Stick around and find out. The next chapter in our grow journey starts with resetting our pots. In this season, we are growing in 15-gallon fabric pots, utilizing living soil, of course. I start by cutting down all the cover crop from the last grow. I then like to put the cover crop in a separate container to make it easier to work with. I chop up the cover crop into small pieces and then lay it on top of the soil in the pots, hence the term chop and drop. Next, I work on reamending the soil. I do this by starting with half a cup of BioLive and a half a cup of rosin flour. I follow that up with 2 cups of earthworm castings. Then I added 4 tablespoons of eggshells and 6 tablespoons of kashi. Sometimes I mix my amendments first, then top dress my pots, but this time I decided not to take the extra step. I top all this off with about a half-inch layer of manure compost by Coast of Maine. After I level up my layer of compost, I spread cover crop seeds, avoiding the center of the pot where I'll be transplanting our grape diamonds. On the next pot, I simply rinse and repeat. This process of chopping down cover crop, covering it with compost, and creating layers is often referred to as lasagna of the soil. The compost is rich in microbes and beneficial bacteria, helping aid in the breakdown process of the cover crop, ultimately returning nutrients back to the soil. After I spread my new cover crop seeds, I water it all in. I mix powdered coconut into the water, which is a source of sugar for the microbes to feed on. This helps kickstart the breakdown process of the amendments and the cover crop. I also mix in soap nut powder, which is a saponin. This helps dry, hydrophobic soil become hydrated again, leading to a more balanced soil moisture.